or Buru, calling out information like where the flag was, the flag's condition, whether it was in the base counting, you hear Buru counting, whether the flag is in motion, it's moving, whether the orange have it or not, okay? That sort of information, okay, you don't want to really be relying on us. As a team, you want to know the state of play between you and your team members, okay? So one of you should know that the flag is not in your possession or that it is in your possession. You must then inform as much of the rest of the team as possible that it is or that it isn't, that you have or that you have not found it. The same way you will want to call out your engagement of the enemy, the location of the enemy, the distance, numbers of movement, left to right, right to left, etc. Try if you can to play as much as a team rather than as an individual or a very small splinter group of 2s or 3s. Try if you can to get the whole of your team involved in the gameplay, okay? That obviously goes for both teams. It makes a world of difference. It makes that game so much better, okay? That game could have been done in no time at all, really, because one person grabs the flag, they keep quiet, they run around the base, they get to the other base, they count off to 60, game done, okay? We actually made the game run a little bit longer by giving you that information, okay? So try if you can to remember to do it for yourselves. We'll carry on as best as we can, but we can't always be right on top of the flag because it will give the location of the flag away, etc., etc. Remember please as well, I'm not sure about Buru, I pretty much did see him do it quite a bit. I'm having to bleed people out way too much, okay? That's a really bad show. That means that the medics, or as everybody is a medic, remember everybody can medic, everybody on your team does it to the opposition. We have had that happen before. You need to make sure that not only are you calling out your hits, that's important, I think everybody's done that, so well done. But you also want to make sure that you identify that's who you are. I believe they made you do that. Maybe just by calling your name is not enough.
I chose.
None orange hit, none orange hit, or orange hit, orange hit. And keep calling it out quite repetitively, okay, to tell somebody. Try if you can to also remember, I didn't mention it in the safety brief, okay, but try if you can to avoid over talking and giving too much information away when you are actually hit. When you're hit, the only thing you should really be saying is that you are hit and that you require a medic, okay? So if you can try to remember that that's really the only thing you should be saying is that you are hit and that you require a medic, not that giving away the position of the enemy or any other information if we can, okay? So how close are we ready to getting back into the game? I'll take the silence as a not. Come on then, come on, come on, come on. Let's get those mags back in the gun. iPro back on, guns up in the aim. Not aiming at your opponent, but just checking everything's there. Pat yourself down, check and double check. Thank you very much. That you've got all of your kit, magazines, pistols, grenades.
So what now?
Whatever you've got in your kit.
Let's get take it off and we're going to
Check
get
and
rained
double check
on.
you haven't dropped it. Come on Sam, up you get mate. Okay, orange team with me. I'll make you... Orange team, you are making your way to the ruins with Buru, please. Make your way over to the ruins with Buru, please. Okay, yeah, you can do that if you want to. Make sure you keep your safety on, your safety light on. Maybe you might want to shadow smash the high-vis guy there if you want to. Otherwise, you might just be standing around doing nothing. Okay, the rest of you, follow Nick. Nick's going to take you down towards the fallen. Nick, are you on comms at all?
I'm not today, no.
Okay.
I can go and get some later, but
That's all right. Well, you can follow them, keep with them as well. Make sure that you still rag out.
right. We did that one reasonably well. Apart from getting shot by Stuart.
Oh, what, did I get you?
Yeah, you shot me. I threw that 3 of them from behind, and you got me before I got the ball.
Oh, sorry, mate.
He was like super sneaky, and then you just went.
Well, I thought it was a big group of them.
No, there was a big group of them. I was just taking them out one by one.
Oh, sorry, mate.
That's all right. I'm used to it.
Yeah, by me. Protect the face.
This place is a lot easier to get to ferns.
I reckon we should, in reality, have some people stay behind on this one.
One or two,
Yeah.
maybe floating behind, so they're moving forward with the rest of us, but not too far.
A bit like what happened last time, that kind of failed.
Can everybody sort of shout something like rather than dead? Like, I don't know, like fucking Delta Dead or something. You know, just so I know then it's our team.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'll shout my name, but yeah.
Yeah? Well, yeah, do that.
Require the assistance of an unorange medic.
Yes. No, but I just mean like if obviously you're like miles away from me. Just make sure you got your sidearm to hand.
Orange dead.
Orange dead, can you get me? You're not orange, you're not orange.
No, I lost it. Sorry. Medically, I'll go find them. I say we go down the right, focus on the right side.
Yeah, it's a bit clearer down that way as well.
GoPro.
No.
Not.
Is it?
No, it's
no.
not flashing.
No light.
It's at the front, isn't it?
Push the top button. I think it is, and then try pressing the. I think press the front button just to see. If it, there you. I think it's on. It's recording.
There you go. Can you see me?
Wait, what's that thing you do when you clap in front of the camera?
No idea, mate.
It's like an audio cue.
You know, Smaz is going to be sitting there going, what the hell are they doing? He's going to get all the footage.
The thing we've got to worry about is Chris and
Yeah.
the other guy with the high speed guns rushing down this side and trying to flank round us.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to go this way with the DMR and try and take out that and come in from the side, same as I did before. Most of us go down through the ferns and try and get through. The main thing is try and catch the ferns and start lifting that flag.
If you go down the right side, it's so covered. It's tree
Yeah.
to tree, and then there's a ditch right after,
Yep.
like right next to the base.
So head that way round, flank through. I'm going to go this way, I'm going to go left, and that way I can hope to get any up from this way.
Yeah, we're going to find the flag first.
Yep.
I'll just try to keep behind you.
Yep, you just try and keep everybody medical. Try and make
as
sure
much
everybody's
as I can.
medical. Don't get caught out now. If I get caught out on my own, that's fair enough, because I've got the DMR.
Yeah.
The rest of you try and stay in contact enough that you can get medic.
I'm going to concentrate on getting them out.
Yep.
And then we can have a few searches.
Yeah, this is true forward skirmish line to keep them back.
Yeah, well,
And then the rest look for stuff, but no, look and shoot.
oh, we don't want to play this game.
No?
That's why it's sitting out and things.
How come?
We don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't have to capture it. He doesn't just run around shooting people.
This is first time playing? Like anywhere?
I hope so.
Probably already has.
Yeah, we're standing here and they'll suddenly come rushing towards us with flags and they've got problems.
No, they're okay. Surprise!
We're ready! Game on, guys.
Go. What are you doing? You staying back? Or no?
Oh,
No,
fall
come.
back.
Yeah. Alright. He's over there, straight forward. They must be close because
Remember the objective is to find, capture the flag, and escort the flag to the opposite team's base. Launch in the opposite team's base. Count 6, 0, 6, 0. Orange needs a medic. Orange needs a medic. Let's get that medicine going, guys.
Sam.
You need to get those medics going. You got your fast pace. Keep it, medic. Let's get those medics working.
You're 1 o'clock, Sam. Straight through the foot.
Come on, talk to each other.
Yeah, guys, when I first rushed, Barry's in the woods to our right, closer.
There's one just round to your right as well, mate. Yeah.
Get those medics working. Get those medics working. Don't all get greedy. Remember, find the flag is your objective. Medic, your team, is an important objective.
Cheeky.
Keep your team in the game. Come on. Why is Phil waiting so long to be medicked? Fair enough. Good thing you like it, because you're not very good at it. My mum lied to me too, don't worry. She said I had the voice of an angel. Liar. Come on then, guys. You don't have to be stealthy. Okay, everybody knows what everybody's doing. Call it out. Call your movement. Call the team's movement. Call the enemy's positions, etc. Why is Phil still not being medicked? Phil, lead away, please. Make sure you get your hands up in the air so I can see them in order to help you. And also so that your team can come and help you.
Hip! Did I get you?
I'm not sure who got who first.
Stu dead! Stu dead! Over here with the flapping armies! Fuck off! Hey! Hey!
Let's get our medics going. Call your medics, guys. Call everybody that you're hit, otherwise nobody can help you.
Hey! You could have just fucking ran through there. Have it! Okay, I'm bleeding out. Stu's bleeding out. I'm bleeding out. Where's our respawn now then? Stewie back in the game! Oh, I was going to come and get you then. I get me. Oh, hey! The fuck was that?
Don't forget to call yourself back in.
Medic! Oh, that's me.
Make sure that you know where your team members are, guys. Get that medicine going.
Ah, fucking hell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cease fire!
How can you be hit?
Alright, everybody, just listen up if you can. We had to cease fire, because a player is getting mullered by an opposition, not being enough of a chance to get the kill rag out, etc. Okay? We just wanted to make sure that player didn't get hurt. Sam, you back in the game, you okay? Okay, here we go, you okay? Excellent. Okay. Unfortunately, he is vertically challenged, and you might not see. Guys, wait a minute. Sam's not on yet. Don't finish yet. Wait a minute. Sam is vertically challenged, and you might not see his kill rag. Sam, have you got your kill rag out?
Is he in the middle of the fern?
Yeah, just close to the edge, mate. Just so everybody knows where you are. Yeah, wait there, mate. Okay?
There's three in the middle of the ferns. Yeah.
One last thing, everybody, ears up. We now have one single rose fighter. Grab that. Cool, right, fine. Okay, we have an extra orange player coming in. The non-oranges had one extra player. The Buru, back out, marshalling again. Okay, Buru, back out, marshalling. You have Alex coming into the orange team. Alex coming into the orange team.
Everybody say hello.
Put a kill rag around his arm or something. The van is closed, you're not going to get in.
Yeah, you can have mine if you want. I've got my spare with me.
You what?
I've got a spare kill rag with me. That's my one, you pillock.
When did you get one? No losing whilst we're on the ceasefire, guys.
Who's wanting it?
Okay, just give it to thank you. I don't know why you got a kill rag on.
Yeah, I've got a red one.
Stuart's been nicking off one piece.
No, I've got my one from last time.
Exactly, it's not yours.
It's fucking mine!
Okay, everybody, ready? Here we go. Game on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's one laid down in the middle of the ferns about fucking 20 paces up. Whoa, hey!
Eat it, Stuart.
Fuck off! See, I told you he was there.
Remember your objectives. Find and capture that flag. Make your way with the flag to the opposite space and plant it. Pass the 60 uninterrupted for the win. Let's get those medics going.
Medic!
Medic. Stuart needs a medic.
Medic! Middle of the ferns!
Those medics happening, please.
Middle of the ferns!
Good reference.
I don't mind you taking 5 minutes, I can catch your breath.
Now let's get those kill ranks up. Let's get medics. Right, there's not enough people being medics.
Stu bleeding out!
Wow, go bleed out. Ellie, go bleed out. Oh, go bleed out. Oranges, out the flag. Oranges, out the flag. Oranges, out the flag.
Stu back in the game!
What we're going to do, we're going to go back and check our base, take up the flag.
Stand
and
back
make
in
our
the
way over here
game!
Oh, okay.
Someone in get it.
Well, they're going to be coming round through the woods, aren't they?
I'm gonna go normal because I'm gonna go get revenge on those guys.
Yeah, go for it, mate, go for it.
Arms back in the game!
I'll try and keep behind you two. Like, if you two are going to pan round this way.
Oh, I've got to go get something with the fly cam. Insult, please.
It sounds like they're coming round to the left.
Yeah, so they're coming around to the left.
Don't slip back. Shazam!
Yeah, back in the back. Wait, get some cover, they know where you are. Give him some cover, yeah?
So,
Right, let's get our flag going, come on. Get the medic, get the flag, let's go. Nick, non-orange has the flag. Nick, non-orange has the flag.
go Nick, go!
Dozer, Gavin, Bill,
Run Nick, they're all dead!
Derek.
Run!
Right, respawn, 50 paces away, please.
Run Nick!
Hold yourself back in, please.
Run! Oh, sorry! What? Who is? Oh, fuck!
Second time.
Sorry, mate. I just see you running through there. I didn't see who it was.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well played,
Oh.
guys. Well taken, Stuart. Boom.
Shazam!
That's what I call teamwork. Well played.
You got it, Nick!
I think he's still moving with it.
Hey!
Stuart is hit. Nelly moving out of the game. Moving Nelly out of the game. Let's get those medics going if you can. Remember, Stuart has the defib. So you need him back in.
Are they allowed to respawn behind us?
2, 3,
Hit.
4.
I couldn't tell if that was a hit or not.
Happening? Good.
I'm still lit. Can they still respawn behind us?
They move away from the firefight, and as the flag is
1,
in that direction.
2, 3, 4, hey, fucking hell!
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stuart back in the game.
Shazam!
Stand back in the game.
Hit!
Stuart's hit.
Fuckers!
That was Phil, Stuart. Make sure you make a note of that.
I'm hit!
Hit. Remember, he is a defib carrier.
Dead! I'm dead! Run this way.
Do it again. Hit him again.
Can I?
No, not you. You've already caught your hit. Stuart, go respawn. 50 paces away from the firefight, please. Stand there, Gavin. Walk away, respawn. Walk away,
Yeah. Yeah. Did we score that point? Did he get there? No? Oh, bastard. But you're knackered, aren't you? Stu, back in the game! Oh, hey! That's our spawn point! Fuck. Yeah, run! Run, man! Dead players in a spawn point! Dead player walking out! Stu, back in!
Sammy T, tell your team members what you've just done.
One contact, he's 12 o'clock, about
Right.
15 metres down. Second contact with him.
You're not mine. You're dead. Where the fuck's the flag?
I didn't hear anything coming out of that. Didn't hear any hit me.
You stop fucking firing. Where the fucking hell is it?
What?
Where's the flag? Oh, hey! 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 Stu's it! Left hand flank! No, 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 no. shoot.
Ready.
Careful, there's loads stand up there, mate.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoot back in the game. Stu can't get back up.
Good luck with that. That's fine. I don't care.
Oh, Nick, are you dead?
No, I'm alive. Shoot the site owner. See how far that gets you.
Can we? What are we doing? We're not taking a plate.
That was brilliant. Did you hear that? He went, nah, I want a burger.
Oh, you'll get a burger. Look it up on it. It might not be what you want to eat.
You dead? Nearly on our team then? Presuming it is.
Crazy shotgunning. Somebody else hold the flag. Bugger off.
What?
Freedom.
Where are you going?
Freedom.
What's going on with the flag then?
I just feel like a cheerleader or something.
What are we doing? We've got to take the flag off you?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, fucking, I thought you were coming in for us.
Sorry, I apologise.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, ours is hit.
Are you hit?
Brewer's hit.
You hit?
I don't have a sidearm.
Shazam!
I was back in the game.
One of ours down there as well.
Go back in the game.
You've got a hike.
Again. Damn it, you
Coming to you, mate, I'm coming. Shazam! Fucking run! You running?
Face that way.
Yeah, got to go upstairs, isn't he?
Guys, we've got to go to the flag is on.
Ready?
Flag comes in motion.
Just run as fast as you can. Run! Keep running! Keep running!